Alright guys, check it out. I finally got it outside. First time ever tires are ever gonna hit dirt right here. Probably won't see a whole lot of dirt. But this thing is definitely boss. I ain't even gonna take it over into the nasty dirt because I don't want to get it that dirty, but anything and everything you want to tow, this bad boy will do it. Definitely got to get the shocks upgraded on it. I'm also going to get a 48-inch boat that I can hook behind it and take it down and put it in the lake. That's going to be pretty sweet. I got a lot of ideas to do with this thing, you know. It's a build I wanted to do for a while, and I'm glad that it's finally done. I can get working on the next project, but I've also got to get some straps for my cars because my cars are starting to fall off there. But I guess that's an easy way to unload them. Maybe just give it a little gas and let them roll right on off the back. You know, this is one of the things that didn't actually cost me that much money to build this thing. You know, I had to buy some new parts, but I just had a bunch of leftover parts sitting around the house. And that's what I used to build this thing, you know, just buying some stuff here and there and fabricating from Home Depot, and it all worked out. Pretty cool that it actually worked out. Nothing happened. I can't wait to go crawling with this bad boy, load up all the crawlers and actually go crawling. But yeah, see, that works. Then I can just offload them just like that. Except I don't want to drop it outside the garage. Isn't quite ready to offload yet. I'll have to get some straps, get some cold tie down straps, and then once I build my ramp too, it's gonna be pretty sweet. But yeah, this thing's pretty ballsy. Just like that, it just wanted to pop a wheelie on me just now with all that weight. Losing all my cargo. I don't know how fast you want to go with the trailer, but you know, if I just had a way to drop a ramp, load them right up, I could load them back on there. But I got to do it the old-fashioned way and load them up by hand. That won't be for long. Next time I have this thing on here, I'll have some straps, because when I go crawling, I want to strap my crawlers down. And we'll stroll around the tree and then we'll park her in the garage. long as I don't lose the wife's car first off the back. She's almost about to roll off. I could have rigged something up, but I was just too excited to get this thing out on the road. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.